Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you this. So it's a soya bean milk v-soy multigrain, and what is purple brown rice, black sesame, malt extract, barley. So it has all these things like brown rice, sesame seeds, then some barley. So this is multi-grain soya bean milk. So this is basically for those who are having cholesterol, this is good for those, and even who are vegans, they drink this kind of milk or almond milk. So these are very good source for protein for vegans. So what I'll do now, I'm gonna open this now, and how to do that, it's quite difficult. So now I'll be opening it, and it's done. There's this mug, and I'm gonna pour it so you can see the color of it. It's not the pure white, it's like some coffee colors mixed with some milk. It's like that, and I'm gonna show you. So this is how it looks like. The color is very different, not white, but it is quite thick, I believe, as it has brown rice, sesame. These are very thick ingredients. I'm gonna taste it and let you know. Very nice. The sweetness of all these ingredients are there in it, and it tastes amazing. So friends, keep on watching my video and do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you friends.